This conference will now be recorded.
So, US tax procedure. So, make note of this. అప్పుడు వాటర్ ఉంటాయి చైర్లో పెట్టుకోండి బ్యాగ్ అది వాటర్ డ్రైన్ అవుతుంది చైర్లో పెట్టుకోండి yes right now let me check the properties first. Path. Financial accounting new. Global setting new. Tax on sales or purchases. Basic setting. So in that, check calculation procedure. Execute. Double click on define condition types. So for India, we click on always new entries. But here, other taxes are predefined. We just check the properties. So what's the first one? JP1I. So click on position. Condition type JP1I. So here JP1I. What's access sequence? MWST. Access sequence MWST. Condition class capital D. So calculate type capital J. Condition category small d. Save. Now again JP2I also. Access sequence MWST. The remaining properties are same. Next, what's the third condition? JP1E. So access sequence MWST. Access sequence MWST. Likewise, JP2E also. And condition category small d. Same. Next one. Check and change setting for tax processing. Execute. Click on your entries. Process. NV1. Tax type 2. Posting indicator 2. Click on next entry icon. Save. And VS1, VS2 are standards. Observe VS1, student, VS2. Basically, these two related to sales. రాసుకోండి. Description, sales tax 1, tax type 2. 2 అంటే input, 1 అంటే output. Click on extend icon. So 1 of 2, output tax. Save. So based on condition type, account key, we design the tax position. Now heading. Check calculation procedure. Double click on define procedure. Click on new procedure or new entries. So procedure tax US. Save. Already exit with the same key. Already undanta. I choose tax US 1. Double click on control data. Click on new entries. Completed. Now I just change it JP2I description. Condition. JP1I, JP2I కదా. Next, assign country to calculation procedure.
Sir, I think JP2I is a purchase tax, sir, right, sir?
Yes,
But in the description, it's mentioned sales tax. JP2I, 2Is. Yeah. I think AP purchase tax. Okay. 1I, 2I. Okay.
so type it text. Now, assign country to calculation procedure. Execute. Click on position. Country US. Our procedure is see tax US 1. Tax US 1. Save. Save. Now, heading calculation. Define tax code for sales and purchases. Execute. Country US. Tax code I1. Tax at 2%. What is the input? Enter. So here 2%. Here there is no split off. In India only we have split off. Other countries there is no split concept. Same. Tax code O1. So tax at 2%. A output. So basically, other countries they maintain purchase sale same line item of tax, same percentage of tax line items. Enter. So 2%. Same. Next, mapping table to condition tax. Mapping table to condition tax. So what's the transaction code? /O SM30. Table J_1I condition tax. Click on maintain icon. Click on your entries. Now we create I1, O1. I for input, O for output. Same. So till now is standard architecture country level. From now onwards company code level. So heading tax configuration company code level. సో కొన్ని కంపెనీస్ ఏం చేస్తాయంటే ఇక్కడ దాకా ఒక ప్యాచ్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ ప్యాచ్ని ఎన్ని కంపెనీస్ ఉంటే అన్ని కంపెనీస్కి మ్యాప్ చేసేస్తాయి. మళ్ళీ వన్ టైం యాక్టివిటీ మళ్ళీ కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసే పని లేకుండా. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యాక్సెంచర్ చాలా క్లయింట్స్ ఉంటాయి. యూఎస్ క్లయింట్ వచ్చే ప్రతిదానికి ఏం చేస్తుందంటే దేస్ టు కాపీ దిస్ రిక్వెస్ట్ నెంబర్ టు ద సర్వర్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ కాన్ఫిగరింగ్ ఇచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ బికాస్ దిస్ ఇస్ కంట్రీ లెవెల్. నౌ వన్వర్డ్స్ దేస్ టు మ్యాప్ కంపెనీ కోడ్ లెవెల్. ఫస్ట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ జేల్ అకౌంట్స్. Okay. Click on create icon. Jail account 105031. Share tax one. control data tab. So tax category star, posting without tax alone. Like the properties are same. Open item management, line item display, sort key 001, create bank interest G001. Like మన ఇండియన్ taxes ఎలా చేసామో same properties. The properties are same. Same. Like copy tax 1, change the description. Tax 2. Next, for purchases point of view, 205031. Here AP. The other properties are same. Like create one more. 32. So compared to Indian taxation, this is very easy. Just identify the condition, create GL account, map the GL account. Save. Next. So mapping GL account conditions. Mapping GL account to account conditions. What's the transaction code? OB40.
OB40.
So here, double click on NV1. What is NV1? Accounts payable, tax 1. Chart of account. VA00. Save. Posting key, check the posting key 40, 50. So which account we map? Accounts payable. See, AP tax 1. Save. అలానే NV2. AP tax 2. Next, second one, VS1. So sales tax 1. Jail account, AR. tax one. ఇక్కడ పోస్టింగ్ కీస్ VS1 VS2 స్టాండర్డ్స్ సో అవి ప్రీడిఫైన్ గా ఉంటాయి పోస్టింగ్ కీస్ ఇది కావాలంటే చెక్ చేయొచ్చు సేమ్ నెక్స్ట్ double click on VS2 ER2 same right then I did not create any US based company so VA06 is there I chose VA07 clear so already long back I discussed rollout project adding new data or module to the existing project now everyone see the port AC01 so this is the way we create other country subsidiaries so company code like VA01 to VA07 currency US dollar I create one view VI07 USA. Copy it. Now edit parameter. So enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, edit, copy, delete. VA07. Alaska. So country US. Even address parameter also. Now create one more component, maintain FM area. Position, FM area. So create German. VI07. Currency, US dollar. At the same time, assignment, assign company code to financial management area. Right? Now, FS00, VI07. Observe. So just now we create tax jail accounts. Naya, AR1, AR2. So AP1, AP2. Now what we do? So SM30, J underscore 1I condition tax. Maintain new entries VI07, I1, VI07, O1. Do we check OB40? OB40 check cheyala. NV1 because there we map chart of account level. అవునా కంపెనీ కోడ్ కాదు కంపెనీ కోడ్ అయితే మ్యాప్ చేయాలి చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ కాబట్టి అవసరం లేదు నెక్స్ట్ assign tax code for non taxable transactions assign tax code for non taxable transactions VI07 చూడండి ఇక్కడ I0 O0 if you say V0 A0 that is India related I0 O0 US related right now recon accounts already created configure basic setting for customer financial accounting new receivable payable customer accounts master data preparation account group this is for what for US base new entries I chose VI07 like customer USA screen load per company code customer VI07 an entry already exit with the same key no. వచ్చేసింది data now create number ranges for US based customer purpose insert interval V7 assign number ranges VI07 V now create one customer FD01 first company code VI07 VI07 right so it was Mr. Like Raman customer here Alaska country US region AK control data here sales or purchase no need to enter tax free related to GST right US is non GST base sales or purchase tax company code data recon account observe data sort key 031 for US point of view E2 domestic customer and payment transaction terms of payment 0001 has been created for a company code VI07 now check OBA3 customer or vendor position company code VI07 here Vivo Alaska and there they maintain 60 days validity period. Say, right? Now, let me post like FBN1, VI07, status. All number ranges are there. Now, what's the customer invoice posting transaction code? FB70. So, here, VI07. Invoice date, customer number, see, Raman customer. And for example, $1,000. This is not Indian rupee. See, US dollar. Customer testing with tax. What is the tax? So sales means output tax. Sales means output tax. And the jail account 401001. How much value? $1,000. Do we check any other? Right? So US base, customer properties, debit line item, tax line item, credit line item, tax line item. Simulate. Observe, $1,000. In that 980.39 is the sales value, 19.61 is the GST value. So 1,000 into 20 rupee, right? Right. Just a moment. 20,001 was posted. I post the same transaction, 1,020. So for easy understanding, right? 1,000 is the tax, sales value, 20 is the tax value. Check the tax, observe, $20. So simulate, say. Now check FBL 5N. All items. How to check the tax line item? FBL 3N. See, here tax 1, data, no. So once you configure standard parameters, your first subsidiary company, easy to configure the remaining. No need to create everything. If you create everything, it's a blind procedure. So we never follow blind procedures in real time. Right? So today we will write off this scenario. So this is the jurisdiction-based taxes. So what are our classes? India, that is GST condition-based. US, they maintain jurisdiction-based. How to components, either condition or jurisdiction. In India, we follow condition-based. What is condition? The 5% split of CGST, SGST. But here, jurisdiction, every jurisdiction they maintain a single value. There is no dependency or there is no split of other line item. Clear? So this is jurisdiction. So remaining except US, remaining countries, every country maintain condition-based taxes. Condition-based taxes. So any questions, please? So tomorrow also we'll discuss one more real-time scenario. Guys, if your client located in US, then only you configure this. Otherwise, don't do. మీ క్లయింట్ యూఎస్లో ఉంటేనే చేయండి, లేకపోతే చేయకండి. Clear? So yes, Akila, Bhavana, KK, Lakshman, Ali, Siri, Spoti, any questions?